To fix a Linksys Wi-Fi extender blinking green, start by understanding what the blinking green light indicates. This light typically signifies that the extender is attempting to connect to the main router or is in the process of rebooting. If the blinking persists, it may indicate a problem with the connection. First, ensure your extender is properly plugged in and turned on. Next, check the distance between the extender and the main router, as being too far away can cause connection issues. Move the extender closer to the router to see if this resolves the problem. If the issue persists, try resetting the extender. To do this, locate the small reset button on the back or bottom of the device. Use a paper clip or pin to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the extender to complete its boot up process. After resetting, you will need to reconfigure the extender. Open a web browser on a device connected to the extender and type in the extender's IP address, which can usually be found in the user manual or on the manufacturer's website. Log in to the extender's web interface and follow the prompts to set up the device again. Another potential solution is to update the extender's firmware. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues, so check the manufacturer's website for any available updates. Download and install the latest firmware version. Then restart the extender to apply the changes. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider performing a factory reset. This will restore the extender to its default settings, so be sure to write down any custom settings before doing so. To perform a factory reset, press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds. Then release and wait for the device to reboot. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the blinking green light issue on your Linksys Wi-Fi extender and get your network up and running smoothly. Remember to always refer to your user manual or the manufacturer's website for specific instructions, as the process may vary slightly depending on your extender model.